Welcome back to this new video, and yes, this is the time everyone have been waiting for. Congrats to the retail, congrats to everyone who's been recently on the market. Beautiful pump, $92,000, and very soon we will see crazy things happening on the market. We've already seen multiple altcoins, meme coins going 10, 20, 50, 100x recently, and this is not going to stop. This is just warming up, and you can see it by the retail coming into the market. You can see it by the volumes on multiple chains like Solana, Base, etc. But in this video we're gonna focus on something very specific, on a project, very specific project that have recently caught my eyes. And the reason for it is that, as you know, now institutions are entering the market. And how many projects do you think will actually meet conditions of these institutions to be for them to invest into them? Not many, right? For now, you know, you have of course Bitcoin ETF, you have Ethereum ETF, potentially coming Solana ETF, but the trend is basically that institutions are getting interested more and more into investing in crypto companies. And by meaning investing in crypto companies, I mean investing into their equity and token potentially. But institutions do mainly think and do mainly care about equity. That's why there's only a few projects that meet these conditions. Now, I showed you already the project back in the day at the beginning of the year, and there's been a big update recently regarding the product. They've been growing a lot, and if you get to know what they've been up to, you might understand why I think their coin is undervalued and why I think they have a bright future for the project. Basically, first thing that you see, investing relations and Q3 report, over 100 M in revenue. All right, this is something you don't see in many projects, but let's start from the beginning. Actually, as you can see, there is a ticker OTC DEFTF, and they've actually already applied for Nasdaq, and this is something crazy. They're a holding company and they own all these subsidiaries. As you can see, the guys listed here: Amina, Valor, Reflexivity Research, Bitcoin Suisse. One of them is this Valor, issuer of digital assets, ETPS. Another one, Reflexivity Research, Crypto Native Research, free newsletter. So they have over 30 ETP products, and ETP is like ETFs. And then that's the reason for the revenue, multiple revenue streams. For example, here on the valor.com, we can see how to purchase the Valor ETPs. You can buy it through one of these brokers. So not only that, but they also have the node management, and that's where the project is making the biggest amount of money. Recently launched this Core 5 strategy, so it's based on the Core ecosystem. If you don't know the BTC staking ecosystem, I've also showed you Core in my previous video. So it looks like these guys, they want to basically grow ecosystem based on multiple chains, multiple ways of earning and revenue streams. Guys, Q3 financial results of a crypto company and year-to-date revenues of 150 mil Canadian, which is around 112 million USD. Pretty impressive. You know, these numbers, you don't see many examples like of such profits in the crypto space. All right, recently Eric Johnson also has been speaking about it here in the post. Stock trading at 5.5x after today's 25% rally. It's above $3 Canadian for the first time since June. What he says is that if crypto keeps running and keep churning out the new ETPs in Europe, get into new geos like Dubai, Asia, the main goal of it is that he's bullish. Here's the longer post. If you want to read it, you can check this out. You can stop the video. But basically, he's been showing a lot about and talking about the shares. As you can see, this is another level, and this is where crypto is going. All right, like it or no, but institutions are getting into crypto, and if you are not ready to follow up with it, you are staying behind. You need to follow up with what's been happening to crypto, and this is how the market is changing now. So they reached a record of AUM after the election, which is 633 million US dollars. So currently they offer 28 EPS. They are aiming to offer 40 by the end of the year, and they plan to grow it to a number of 100 by the end of next year. So Valor, which is one of their subsidiaries, is getting, you know, licenses and getting accepts from the regulatory offices in Africa, Asia, etc. You know, and once again, this is the direction where crypto is going. So check DeFi Alpha as well. This is one of their business lines, the algorithmic market analysis. Only this business line brought them 97 million USD profit basically since the inception. And let me see when they started with it. All right, it says in 2024, so I bet that they also started that in 2024. So the project is holding portfolio around 43 USD. Check their Twitter as well, Investor Desk, if you're interested. Look at the growth. The chart all time for now is 2.88 Canadian. It was down at 0.007. Currently over $2. So past 5 years plus 4.7,000%. R9B all has been only up from 0.065 to 2 euros. Also, they got some new strategy for staking Solana. So to me, it looks like in their ecosystem, they look for new revenue streams. Whatever happens on the market, as you know now, Solana has been getting the biggest amount of hype, the biggest volume has been in this cycle on Solana. As you can see, all-time high. If we go to DeFi Llama, we check the Solana volume. It's been going crazy. $6 billion daily volume on Solana. So, you know, people who know how to use it, they use it. And, you know, staking on Solana's SolFi is something new. So these guys having recently understanding what's the deal here, but definitely this is a cycle of Solana. Even look at the Ethereum, it's 2 billion volume. It's not, hasn't been increasing at all, and Sol, the TVA, also 8 billion. So once again, check their social media channels and I'll keep you updated. This is interesting what they've been up to. And remember, now this is time where institutions are joining. If you understand, if you know how this market works, this brings crazy opportunities, and in this market you need to adapt very quickly. As you can see now, Solana has been only trending. If you stayed with the previous cycle chain BSC, there's nothing going on, completely zero going on BSC, and this is how the market flows, and there will be only micro cycles into the big cycles of crypto. This is what we see now. Thank you so much for watching. Be ready for what's coming in crypto, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.